Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft and welcome to another vlog episode. So it's the day after my micro adventure, and you may notice I've caught the sun a bit. I don't know whether that's when I was out on the paddleboard or whether I was sat in the back of the camper just overlooking the lake and watching the sun reflecting off the lake. It was absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I had a really good time. Tried out the new paddleboard, like I say, which was absolutely brilliant. Really pleased with that. Didn't pay a great deal for it compared to other paddleboards on the market, but yeah, it was really good. I was really impressed with it, so I'll definitely be trying that out again. I did quite a bit of snorkeling. I do like my snorkeling, even in the cold lakes. On the Monday after I'd been paddleboarding, I did about an hour using the little underwater metal detector. Found some great stuff, some King George V and VI coins. Really pleased with those, bit of jewellery. So yeah, really enjoyed that. And then I went back, got set up at the campsite, or my campsite. It wasn't a campsite. Brilliant spot, really good. It was just me there. There were a couple of mountain bikers turned up, but they soon disappeared later on in the evening, so I just had it all to myself. Fantastic. And then on the Tuesday morning I got up really early, about 7:15, had me breakfast, again just overlooking the lake. Beautiful, peace and quiet. Packed up and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to go snorkeling again. So that's what I did. I got all my wet gear back on, which was a bit but yeah, got all the wet gear on. Unfortunately the battery ran out on my underwater metal detector, so I had to go without that, so I was a bit disappointed with that, but I thought that's okay, I'll just go out. I went to a different spot this time. It's a spot I've been to on previous occasions. I've done a video on that. It's where I found a silver Pandora necklace, so I went back there and it was good to me again. I found 2 pairs of sunglasses, a few other bits and pieces, tidied up all the... when I go down under the water, there's always a lot of rubbish, a lot of glass bottles, some of them broken, some of them just sat there, tin cans, bits of rubbish. I always like to clean that up. I have a little sort of mesh bag that I put it all in, and that was getting quite full. It was getting quite an effort to drag that around under the water, but yeah, fished all that out, and obviously that's gone in the recycling now. So I've had some good feedback from my I've had some good feedback from my first vlog episode. People have been saying, yeah, we would like to see more, and nobody said no, don't want to see any more, rubbish. So here we are, another episode, and I'm quite enjoying doing them. I'm just parked up in the car park at the moment, got my coffee. I'm just telling you what's going on, what I've done, what's coming up, what is coming up. Well, I've got quite a lot of editing to do, so there's going to be quite a lot of videos coming out following this one. Snorkeling video, paddleboarding video, camper van video. So yeah, it's quite a bit to come, but I've got a few other things in the pipeline. Like I say, I've got some new camera equipment, got a new stabilizer, sort of handheld gimbal for my iPhone, so I'm enjoying using that. I'm just trying to get to grips with it as well, just learning about all the different functions. So that's something else I'll be doing. But yeah, lots more videos to come. I want to try and get out more, but hopefully these vlog episodes will prompt me to do that. Only time will tell. The water pump modification that I did, again, there'll be a video on that. Anybody who has an Amdro boot jump, or any other boot jump for that matter, you could probably use the same principle. Being a solo camper, I didn't need the big water container that comes with the Amdro boot jump, so I just bought a smaller container that fits perfectly in the back drawer, and just to the side of the cooker. Fits perfectly in there, and just a little modification allows me to remove the container and put it back in again once I've filled it up. And I've also incorporated the little manual pump, which works all right. It drips a little bit, a few little bits, as long as you've just got a little bit of kitchen roll just to mop it up. And I've sealed the wood with varnish, so it should be fine. I mean, we all spill a bit of water every now and again, don't we? We don't worry about it. So yeah, I got back yesterday, unpacked everything, just dumped a lot of it in the garage, took all the wetsuits around to my mum and dad's, got them hung up on the line, rinsed them all down with a hose pipe, cleaned all my mask and snorkel. It's always important to do that, give them a good clean so they're ready for next time. And after I finish my coffee, I will be going off and getting a new 9-volt battery for my metal detector, because I'm pretty sure the battery's gone. I did test it and it was low, so I'm hoping that's the reason it wasn't working. But we'll find out later on. Right, that's about it really. Just thought I'd let you know where we're up to and what we're doing today. Be another video coming along soon. So if you enjoyed that, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Ooh, whistled.